Are you seeing errors created by the Spopk Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. To start our guide for Spopk Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Spopk Library, the Service Provider Out-of-Box Experience, OOBE library. It manages unmanaged routines for specialized system configuration during the initial Windows setup phase. It facilitates the data link for OEM-specific deployment manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. When a core file like Spopk Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Spopk library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. A vital technical reminder: modifying Spopk Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Spopk library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Spopk library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.